The holiday season is here. How would you like to receive $100 gift payments directly sent to your Cash App account? Just by you sharing this high-converting simple page. Imagine hearing those Cash App notifications ringing all day long. The joy of having cash on hand this Christmas. Not only will this program be available during the holiday season, we will also be available beyond New Year's. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Send $100 to the person who invited you to this program. Step 2. Send $25 to admin to create your page and also place you in our rotator. Step 3. Submit the form with all the information that is requested. All payment information is down below. All payments will be verified when you submit your payment information. We will create your page with your Cash App ID. The time to join is now. Imagine all the $100 bills collected by you directly to your Cash App account. Live worry-free this holiday season and make sure that all the information that you submit is correct. And also make sure that your inviter's information is correct, so that way we can create your page and put you in our rotator, ready to start collecting those $100 bills. So once again, it's very simple. All you have to do is share this page with others and you start receiving instant direct $100 bills directly to your Cash App account. Enjoy the holiday season, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.